Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been working in Figma and wished you could travel back in time to see previous versions of your design, maybe to double-check changes, recover an older layout, or just understand your project's evolution, today's quick tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your Figma file's version history, so you'll never have to worry about losing your progress or missing out on previous ideas. Let's jump straight in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Alright, first things first, let's head over to Figma. Go ahead and open up your browser and log into your Figma account if you haven't already. You'll want to make sure you're in the workspace where the project you want to review lives. I'm using Figma in the web browser here, but this will look just about the same if you're using the Figma desktop app, so don't worry if your window looks slightly different. Once you've got your Figma project open, look to the very top left corner of your screen. There you'll see the main menu icon. It looks a bit like a hamburger menu with 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes you'll just see the Figma logo itself. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down with a bunch of options for your file in your workspace. Now in this menu, let's focus in on the Files section. Sometimes it might be immediately visible, or you might need to hover over or click into File to see more options. Don't rush through this part, it's like opening a toolbox, and we want to grab exactly the right tool. What you're looking for is an option called Show Version History. Click on that and Figma will switch your view. This is where the magic happens. The screen will transform and you'll now see a panel on the right. This is your file's version history. Each entry here represents a snapshot of your file at a certain point in time. You'll see timestamps and sometimes even helpful notes if someone added a description. This overview is like flipping through a photo album of your design choices. It lets you review changes, compare earlier layouts, and even restore a previous version if you ever need to. If you want to actually go back to a previous state, you can click into any of those entries, preview the design at that moment, and if you like what you see or need to recover a lost element, you can restore it with just a click. Don't worry if this takes a few moments to load, especially if your file is large or has a lot of history. Figma is just gathering everything in the background, and that's really all there is to it. You now have access to the full timeline of your project, so you never have to fear accidentally overwriting your work or losing a great idea to a quick save. It's a simple feature, but it can be a total lifesaver, especially on collaborative projects where lots of hands are making changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or there's something specific about Figma you'd like me to cover next, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more practical design tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.